Most people get mobile plans wrong by assuming bigger names always mean better service, but when comparing Xfinity Mobile and Google Fi, the differences matter depending on your usage. Today, I'll break it down so you can decide which is better today. Xfinity Mobile operates on Verizon's network, offering strong coverage in the U.S. Plans include unlimited and pay-per-gig options. The unlimited plan is straightforward and gives reliable speeds. Google Fi, on the other hand, switches between T-Mobile, U.S. Cellular, and U.S. Cellular networks for the best signal, providing dynamic coverage in most areas. Most people get this wrong by thinking coverage maps tell the full story. Google Fi's network switching can be a game changer in weak signal zones. Pricing differs too. Xfinity Mobile charges per line and per gig on flexible plans, which can be economical for light users. Google Fi charges per GB with a bill cap for unlimited use, which benefits heavy data users. Most people get this wrong by ignoring data habits or usage determines which plan is cheaper. Both carriers offer modern perks. Xfinity integrates with Xfinity Internet for discounts and hotspot access. Google Fi includes international coverage in over 200 countries at no extra cost, perfect for travelers. In conclusion, Xfinity Mobile is ideal for heavy local users with stable Verizon coverage, while Google Fi is best for those who travel or need flexible network coverage. Most people get this wrong by picking a plan without considering their lifestyle and travel habits. Choosing the right plan saves money and improves connectivity. Subscribe for more honest mobile plan comparisons to help you get the best value and coverage.